the knit front back increase. So hi, today I'm going to show you the knit front back increase, and I've done a little swatch here where I've shown you the increase. I don't know if you can see that little bar. The other name for this increase is also the bar increase. Here on the right hand, on this side, I've got it in stockinette, and on this side I've got it in garter stitch. Now, because of that little visible bar that's formed, you can see why it's actually a good fit for garter stitch. So how to do it? So I'll knit to the place where I want to increase in the usual manner, and then if I'm increasing into this stitch, I'll knit into the front of the stitch like so, and then without dropping the stitch from the needles, I'll swing the needle tip around and go into the back of the same stitch and knit it. And then when you take it off, you'll see that you've got 2 stitches out of 1. So let me carry on. I'll do the next one. Where did I do it? 1, 2, 3, and then that one. Okay, so into the front of this stitch, then swing round and knit into the back of the same stitch, and then knit to the end. There you go. So on the wrong side, obviously I'm going to let me just do the wrong side row so that I can show you what the result is on the front. It's a decorative increase, or an increase for garter stitch. It also works very well if you do it on the wrong side row in a garter stitch. It works just as well. I will tell you a little story that when I first started knitting, I thought for a very long time that this was the only increase there was and that nothing else existed. But nowadays you've got YouTube, and I did buy myself a book then and discovered other things. So let's have a look at the front of the work. Yeah, and there you can see there's a visible bar where the increases occurred. And here on the garter stitch side you can't really see anything. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy my videos. If you do, please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you again.